Hello viewers, now we will learn how to generate a fixed value every n number of months. In this example, we will generate a fixed value every 3 months, and in our case the fixed value is 510. Also, we have a number of months from January to December. So let's get started. Double click a cell and type in the formula. This formula uses 3 functions: the if function, the mod function and the column function. Also, this function will return the fixed value 510 when it turns true and will return a value of 0 if it turns false. After you finish typing the formula, press enter and the result 0 is displayed. Now simply copy the formula to other cells. And now, as you can see, the fixed value 510 is generated every 3rd month, 6th month, 9th month and the 12th month. Also note that notes for users is given in the box below, which explains the working of this formula. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Bye.